we are going to the Kids' Choice Awards. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to the Kids' Choice Awards, and I'm here with Jose. It's another vlog, another day, and we are debating what to wear to the Kids' Choice Awards. Look at this. Ariana wearing simple dress, gloves and a dress. Charlie D'Amelio obviously slaying the carpet. Miranda Cosgrove. Look at Sky Jackson with her 27-piece and her cute little short dress. It's giving casual, and so I'm telling Jose that I want to wear jeans and a shirt. Pretty much, I want to wear this outfit, but with jeans.
Which is okay, because if you do look, there are people wearing...
Okay.
There are people
My
wearing
good
jeans.
sis, Kelly Rowland.
There are people wearing jeans on the red carpet, so this is somewhere where I feel like it is okay to
First of all, tell everybody what you do, because you're in a campaign, you're tying my shoe, you're sewing my corset. Remember when you were sewing my shoes for Barbie?
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? Tell the kids what are you doing?
We're doing this so last minute, but Patrick wants his bordello heels covered. I made the patterns for them last night so that we could cover them.
So we're gonna take this and cover the shoe. Guys, what would you wear to the Kids' Choice Awards? Would you guys wear pants? Would you guys wear a shirt? Look at this, it is giving Charlotte Russe. I think I would go for more like what the Kelly Rowland is kind of wearing. And it's hot. Yeah, so me and Jose, we're in my office here at One Size. Just trying to figure out in this hideous overhead lighting what to wear. So, and I'm just there, I think I'm there to have fun. Oh, please, 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 miss, please, please, please.
Please, please,
please. Por favor, por favor, por favor. In the meantime, comment down below, what would you wear? What would you wear? And what do you hope I should wear? What do you expect from PatrickStarrr? Jose's in shambles trying to figure out what I should be wearing because he always wants me to look like I'm on RuPaul's Drag Race. If you didn't know, Jose's a drag queen, aka Athena. So it's very hard for him to pick what dress down casual means. Peter is filling out a form. Peter, what is this form for?
This is for us to get registered to get tickets.
Register to get tickets. And Paul, there's your Kids' Choice Awards outfit. This is what it's like when we're planning the Kids' Choice Awards.
7.5.
And Jose is there to help facilitate. Because somebody doesn't have an outfit.
Any dietary restrictions? I'm vegan. I was kidding.
It is the day of the Kids' Choice Awards. Jose, how are you?
I am currently about to rhinestone some glasses and...
You don't have to.
No, I want to. Just
Okay,
that
so
you
I
have the
saw these
option.
glasses and I bought them. They're too small for me. And then I saw these. Oh, and they came with these on the old ones. And I was like, Jose, these fit me better. We should like stone these. We don't have to, but do you want to show the outfit? Jose has become assistant, production assistant, designer, drag queen, campaign model. Wow.
Shout out to Felicia Blue Rose for this lime slime green.
Wow. They wanted to slime me 2 days ago. And they asked me the day of work, and I was already in my work outfit. And Peter was trying to prank me to go to this event and get slimed. And I politely declined because I was so busy working on our next launch for One Size. That's how crazy it was.
And then shout out to Kevin for these little stoned pants.
Wow.
I know he spent a minute on these.
Wait, are they hemmed?
Yes, and he hemmed them.
Wow.
So cute.
I love it, thank you. And by the way, Peter and Paul is coming. Look at what Paul's wearing. Show us your red carpet look.
This is my bag.
Thank you, we'll touch base. Megan Fabulous. I typed in funky bags on Google and this came up. Is this not so Kids' Choice Awards? Isn't it so cute? And I have the option of changing the gold chain with this denim one. Guys, and it's the red carpet day. I should be getting ready right now. What's next?
We have some tops, a little corset top from
Did you bring your belt?
Pretty Little Thing. No, these are yours.
Oh yeah, I bought two because I'm so big.
And we bought these in New York at Forever 21.
We did.
Like 2 years ago. So I just pulled them.
Look, it's barely there. Barely.
Hello.
Okay, cute. This is the look. And we were inspired by, I think, Heidi Klum, right?
Yes.
Heidi Klum / Hailey Bieber. But you guys miss these red carpet videos? Because these was when we were back in the day in the apartment for like the Lion King, for Frozen, doing the fittings and getting ready with like a Fabian and CJ. CJ is now a mother of 2. She's pregnant with her second baby. Love you, CJ. And Fabian is busy being the vice president of integrated marketing at One Size. Here we are on YouTube, and I'll see you guys when I'm in the makeup chair to get ready for the Kids' Choice Awards. Get ready with me for the Kids' Choice Awards. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm gonna be a little late because I'll be doing my makeup full beat, of course. Whoa, to the brows. The brows are on, and I'm gonna do my transition colors with the Skin palette. I have been loving this. If you guys need an essentials and you don't have like a good small compacted one, I would recommend this. The Mario one is good, but I don't know, I just tend to reach for this one more. I think that the color with the palette just makes it look more neutral to me. And I think I'm gonna go in with the Wicked palette and match the green, and I'll do probably like a little green lid, similar to what I wore in the Wicked documentary. But enjoy this time lapse because we are running late, and you know, glam is glam. Kid Leroy's performing tonight. Put your hands up. Oh wait, that's Millennial. Okay, I have to take a quick pause, guys. Oil sucker is that girl. You gotta shake it. Apply it on your oily areas only. So like my nose, here. And I like to layer it. So what I'm gonna do is, just so it doesn't get on my hands, it instantly mattifies right away. And it's extremely mattifying. You'll feel it tighten the pores right away. I'm so excited. It's launching soon and I get to wear it to the Kids' Choice Awards. So I'll let it dry and then I'll add a little bit of Secure the Blur on top.
You don't have any more Red Bulls, or you
I don't have any more. What? Who had the last Red Bull?
Pretty sure it was you.
No, because someone left the Red Bull on my dresser yesterday.
I think it was you. The evidence is clear that it was you.
I don't have any Red Bull. Should I have a Jack and Coke? I'm feeling kind of fun today. Wow, it is feeling tight. And it is okay if it turns a little bit white, because guess what? Foundation is going over it. Okay, baby? And it's okay to layer Secure the Blur on top just for that extra blur. Ugh. So good. You get the blur and you get the oil prevention. It is the perfect combo for the girls, gays, and theys, and the men that, if you're straight and happen to be wearing makeup, well, it will snatch your base. Size 22, babies in the back. This is so cute. The rhinestone. Shout out to Jose and Kevin for helping E6000 the whole freaking thing. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get dressed. Get ready with me for the Kids' Choice Awards. Guys, the eyes are green, and it's from the Wicked palette by One Size, and it is looking cute, so let's get dressed. I have this Good American bodysuit, Good Old Faithful. I pin it in the back. I don't have, knockers, so I have to like pull it up because these are more made for plus size beautiful women. But I like it because it just snatches me. I love the material. And how cute are the pants? Size 22 is like a little loose, but it's good for sitting. Guys, look at the turban. Fabian slayed it. We're just tagging the back. There she is. Well, I don't want to wear nails. I'm okay, right, without nails? Alright guys, we had to rush the hell out the thing.
And why aren't you in uniform?
Who's that?
It's Aisha, bitch. I make these rap pets go and beat some dick. With my big fat ass and my sleazy lips.
No, just do all the glue.
And guys, we're doing my little clamp glue trick. Guys, nothing really changes. We've done this for years. Super glue, Gorilla Glue. I have a thing where I still bite my nails. I know I'm much older, but it's like the one thing that's such a bad habit. I've been trying to stop for the longest. If you guys have any tips on stopping to bite the nails, it's just being a piano player since I was young and having a lot of stress and anxiety is like really hard. It's the one thing that I can do to cope with my stress and anxiety, and it really shows. So it's something that I'm really embarrassed about, but something that I really want to take care of and get over because it's a bad habit. Nonetheless, the glam is done. Peter, Paul, and I, we look so Nickelodeon. Paul's wearing all purple. Peter is wearing orange and white, and I'm wearing like brat green. I'm so excited. And we were just saying, like, how crazy is it that we used to watch this as like kids? And I've done so many award shows, as you guys have known, just attended, and I feel so very lucky. But to be here with like my family and my brothers and to go is like, it's just really cool, and we get to experience it. And Paul is newer to the team, and he's an LA girl now, so he's been used to a few red carpets. We're here to have fun. We're here to create memories together, and I'm glad that we're sharing it with you. We are right in time because this venue is literally seconds away, and I'm gluing my last pinky, and we should be done. You know what a dream is one day? One of my dreams is to have a Sprinter band, but decked out in my style. So I have like a vanity and everything. That's like one of my goals. Like there's these videos in the Philippines where I see Filipino celebrities have like decked out Sprinter vans with like a vanity and this and that. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cool because I want to bring all my friends. We want to go to events, and so it'll be a really cool thing one day when I have that. If you guys have any ideas of what to put in this, a makeup station, a vlogging station, let me know. How cute is this bag? I showed Jose, I was like, I need a bag that's like, says Kids Choice Awards. What kind of bag says Kids Choice Awards if it weren't for the freaking toys on here? I think it's so cute. Fabian's like, it's the ugliest bag in the best way, but I don't think it's ugly. I think it's so cute. Oh, they're finger puppets. Remember those, Paul?
Uh-huh.
I'm so happy with the outfit. I'm waiting to put on my blazer last minute, but these rhinestone earrings are so cute. Guess where I got them? I got them at DragCon, and I believe this company does like the crown and scepter for the winner of Drag Race, and it's giving moonstone. And here's the thing, like Jose, he's a drag queen and he loves drag, and he was like, are you sure? Because these stones don't match these stones. And I'm like, girl, nothing is supposed to match nothing, because you got the bag with the gold chain, the denim, the toys, the lime green. This one is called, I believe, Moonstone, so it's like a reflex. And these are like platinum stones, and they go so good with my Uggs. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna wear some white shoes, and then I have some white nails. But I think just have fun, be expressive. There's like no right or wrong way on how to dress, and I know that I barely get to show you like my fashion process, but I want to get back into it because I've been so inspired by a few fashion vloggers. I'll probably do that in a next video of like a haul. If you guys want to see more fashion videos, let me know, because I pretty much get most things custom made just because I'm plus size. Like these pants are Good American, but I had them stoned and custom. The jacket was custom, the turban was made by Fabian, the nails were super glued. So it's very much like a Drag Race maxi challenge up in here, but I think the end result is so worth it, and I want to share more of that fashion process with you. We're seconds away. I'm gonna cool off. I'm gonna have some free water. Look, They got free water up in here. And I will see you on the red carpet. It is muggy in here. Hi, I'm PatrickStarrr. I want to wish SpongeBob a very, very happy birthday. Happy Kids Choice Awards! This is the best part after red carpet. Is number one, sitting down. Number two, my toes are mold.
Blurry, it's not for free.
Ooh, it's not for free. Wasn't that so fun? There were so many little kids. Some kids are like, what do they say? Oh. Yeah. Some kids are like, what do they say? Oh my God, can I get a picture? I love you. And my mom loves you. We are getting to that age, guys, that they're parents. We are multi-generational. We are multicultural. We are one size. We are PatrickStarrr. This little girl, she just did a movie that's gonna come out next year, and she was like, I just want to say I adore your makeup. I use it. I love it. And I was like, how old are you, if I may ask? She's like, I'm 11. 11-year-olds are coming up and saying that they love one size, and I just have to say thank you so much if you're watching. I met these three sisters that are doing a world tour. They're about to get their diamond button on YouTube. Here's their handle. And they're like, we adore you. We want to represent Orlando. They're from Orlando. And I'm like, you go. Well, Demi was supposed to meet us, but she's still at home. And I'm like, girl, you're like an hour away from here. So we're going to go home. We're gonna rip this off and we're gonna see where the night takes us. Guys, I almost didn't get my pictures. Peter, tell them.
Well, first we didn't even almost get it.
Well, we didn't know where.
We didn't even know where the red carpet was.
Yes.
But then the lady was like, I'm sorry, the carpet is closed. You gotta go.
You gotta
and
go.
Then one of the guys
One of the
were
other
outside.
photographers.
Yes.
Was outside of the exit.
Yeah.
And he said, "Oh, you guys, they're waiting for you, Patrick. They really want pictures." And then rushed him back inside, and then we got.
Yeah, we bypassed the lady that told us to leave
Yeah.
to get our pictures, and then we went around. We did
Yes.
the red carpet pictures. Like, we got our pictures.
And then you did the interview.
That was so cool, and even the anchors on there, they're like, we love one size. I'm wearing one size.
I like carpet. It's totally without my mask. It's about yes, one
Oh, I see. I love it. The Beyonce, Ariana Grande, Kim Kardashian spray.
Listen,
It's everywhere.
once you try it, you can go back.
It's just so freaking cool. But the coolest thing,
This girl wasn't a fan, but she asked her mom.
she was probably like, what, like 7, 8 years old?
No, she looked like she was like 5.
Yeah,
Or
she was
6.
pointing at my bag.
She's like, oh, I like your bag. And Patrick's like, do you want to see it?
So do you want to see it? Do you want to take a picture with it? It was so cute. And she was like, it was the cutest thing, you guys. I love the pants. It was a huge hit. DIY pants, for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. If you guys want to see more vlogs, comment down below. I love taking you guys on a journey because it's always a journey with us. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Gary! I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.